friends. This is my homework, and today I'm talking about to tip or tip is a good question. I will try answering. Let's go. My point of view. It seems to me that restaurant owners must reach an agreement with their workers that the tips be shared. Things, eh, um, thanks to the good service of the waiter, the restaurant will be recommended. Thanks to the name of the restaurant, the waiters earns more tips. Thing that the most important for me is that the people are generous, voluntarily giving tips. Um, if someone does not want to do it, the owner of the restaurant should not feel bad. It's, it's normal because the customers has already paid anyway. In conclusion, restaurants should strive to service customer in an excellent way. It's very important. Out of love, fame, and recognition. Thanks. I'll see you later.